G'day guys, this is Jack. As you can see, Jack's got a box arrived this morning. Don't usually get parcels on Saturday morning. So the box is pretty much roughed up. As you can see, it's pretty damaged, but the contents are quite okay. Now let's see what's inside the box. Now as you can see, I got a gift today from RC VHX 22. He messaged me a few weeks ago and he asked me if I wanted a gift. I don't usually take donations and that, except when it comes from Tony from CCXRC. I have to give you a shout out, Tony. I want to thank Xavier. I've known him since I think 2014, a long time friend of mine. He insisted to send me something out. This is what I got. It's a great cap. Now I do believe there's two versions, one with red writing on it. Just awesome. You know, you met some great people in the RC community, and here's one of them. And once again, this is a good Christmas present. Top-notch bloke. You know, I think most of you people on my channel are subscribed to him. Put a link in the description. Thumbs up, Xavier. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, mate. While I'm at it, I'll just move this bloke out on the cap. Great cap. Now, I did a video yesterday with the Commodore. I'll just bring it in a bit. And I did I hit the gutter. I thought there was a car coming from behind me, and stupid me veered off and kept my finger on the trigger. I spoke to Tony in Hangouts not long ago. Now, there's the front of it. Now, there's not really much damage. There's a bit of a scuff here, but that's nothing. There's no cracks whatsoever, which is great. I'll just lift the body up, and Tony did mention this, but he's spot on. Foam bumper. Now, when I took the body off, the bumper was actually squeezed right underneath, but the screws didn't pop or anything, they didn't snap. And also, I don't screw in, I know some of you guys are going to find this a bit weird, but I don't screw in my body posts. There's a screw goes to the back here and there. But if I had these screwed in, something obviously would have snapped, blah blah blah, and all what happened was the body popped off with the pins on the body, so no damage, and obviously good old foam bumper did the trick. So just a little bit of an update. I mean, I don't want to break these bodies because you can't get these bodies anymore, and beast of a chassis as well, this. So that's just a little update, and once again thanks to Xavier. Awesome gift. The cap, there it is there, put on top of the car, set it up there and use that as a chassis. Not a chassis, a body shell. Anyway, thanks very much again, Xavier, and thanks for watching, guys. And if I don't do a video, Merry Christmas and all that sort of thing. This has been a shocking year, but hopefully I'll get one more video in, and I'll see you guys later.